Today's August 17th, 2020, and this is the weekly update. Hey everybody, Benco Bob here. I want to take a moment to say thank you to all of you that have shared your kind words with me about these videos. You know, this is something totally new to me, and I'll be honest with you. I am most uncomfortable sitting here talking to you. But, you know, I'm getting used to it and having some fun with it. So I do appreciate all the comments. Those that gave me the sage advice to not quit my day job, duly noted, and you got nothing to worry about. I don't plan on quitting my day job anytime soon. Stimulus, legislation, and tax burden for dental professionals. That's the title of this week's webinar in our Dentistry 2020 and Beyond series. This will cover things that have come up over the last few months regarding your PPP loans, your EIDL loans, some of the tax ramifications. It's put on by the folks at Kane Waters, and they were one of the first ones to go through the PPP and the EIDL and everything when this pandemic broke out. So this will be a great webinar to see. It is Wednesday, August 19th at 10 a.m. Pacific. I know many of you will be working, but it will be recorded and you can catch it recorded, a day or so later. If you do catch it live, there is a CE available for it. But for most of you, I know you'll have to watch the recording later. But I think it's going to be one of the best ones that we've had so far, especially for you guys going forward. PPE update time.
I didn't get a harumph out of that guy.
Give the governor a harumph. Harumph!
Well, not much has changed in the world of PPE this week. I did see some level 3 masks and some wipes had come into stock, and they are fulfilling back orders. But for the most part, nothing has changed. Masks, wipes, and cold steriles are going to be a problem for a while. But gowns, face shields, and some of the other products are in stock, and some rations have been lifted on those. So one thing I do want to say, if you are using an old container for cavi wipes and you're going to make your own, please wash out these containers with soap and water and let them dry. You don't want to be mixing chemicals. So if you're using, let's say, Optum, which is a hydrogen peroxide based wipe, and you're going to start using Cavicide and 4x4s or towels or whatever, please wash them out. We don't want to mix chemicals. So it is something that's very important. Please inform your staff not to just start using old containers, and wash them out. And you also want to label them properly for OSHA if you're changing the product. Put a sticker on there with the OSHA information on it. So, all right, we've got two spectacular deals this week. First, Friedy Suture. I know many of you are already using the Friedy Suture, but if you're not, this is a great time to switch over and try it. It's a buy two, get one free through the end of August. So we got a couple weeks left, but this deal has never been done before. It's always been a 3+1 or 4+1. So right now, buy two, get one free. If you're not using Friedy Suture, reach out to me. I have a conversion chart. We can figure out what suture you're using and get you the right one in the Friedy. Remember, buy two, get one free through the end of August. All right, how many of you have used our Process brush? This is one of the best sonic brushes on the market, and I know many of you have already tried them. So right now we are doing a flash sale starting today, Monday, August 17th at 6 a.m. Pacific. It is a buy three, get one free on the Welcome Kit. So in the Welcome Kit, you get the brush itself, you get 2 brush heads, and the USB charging cable. This is a deal. $32.95, buy 3, get 1 free, brings it down to $24.71 per unit. You can make a little extra profit for the office. You can charge the patients a little bit less, but this is a flash sale. We have 3,000 units available for this deal. Once they're gone, they're gone. There will not be any 3+1s after that. So please, if you want to take advantage of this, call me this morning so we can get these orders in right away so you can take advantage of the 3+1. Please remember to friend me on Facebook. I post content there all week long. If you're not a Benco Dental customer, what are you waiting for? Reach out to me at the contact information below, and if I'm not in your area, I will find you a friendly Benco Dental representative that is. And we would love to share with you what the Benco difference is all about and how you can start experiencing it in your office for yourself. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. I would greatly appreciate that. Have a great week. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you real soon.